dedication, hard work, dedication, hard work. I'm a one-man army. One-man army. The world can go against me. I'm still coming on top. I got God on my side.
Work out for me, work out for me. Work out for me, work out for me.
Right. It's gym time. I've been preparing myself all day for this. My body is my temple, and I have strength from within, and I will be strong to the core. And I know it's gonna be painful, but I got a goal, and this pain is temporary, but this power will last forever. Because I'm putting in the hard work today, and it's gonna pay off tomorrow. Because every day